Under the banyan tree we gather round. Drums speak truths that can't be found. Bassline deep like the ocean's ground. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, carry me higher, make me whole. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, let it flow, let it flow. Mist in the air, the dawn creeps slow. Rays of the sun through the green bamboo glow. Ancient rhythms tell me what I should know. Echoes bounce in the canyon wide. Dub's heartbeat is the spirit's guide. A sound so heavy it turns the tide. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, carry me higher, make me whole. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, let it flow, let it flow. Skank to the rhythm, let it unwind. Lost in the dub where peace aligns. Roots keep growing through space and time. Under the banyan tree we gather round. Drums speak truths that can't be found. Bassline deep like the ocean's ground. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, carry me higher, make me whole. Roots of the river, roots of the soul, let it flow, let it flow. never sink in. Every syllable rolls off my skin. What do they know about where I've been? People talk, but I just walk through the noise like a wave through the sand. People talk, but they don't understand. Echoes bounce off of walls of doubt. Every shout gets lost in the drought. The chatter's a river I won't swim. The tide can't pull me back to them. Whispers loud as thunder cracks, but I don't flinch. I won't look back. People talk, but I just walk through the haze like a boat on the sea. People talk, but it don't bother me. In the breeze, blown away by the truths I believe. Their tongues may twist, but I'm free. Their noise can't silence my melody.
Calling, hear the drum. Jah lives on, we overcome. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed. Smoke curls eye like a holy prayer. Wine it whispers, Jah is there. Echoes bounce in the valley low. Life keeps flowing, rivers know. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed. Every leaf, every stone, every heartbeat, you're not alone. Riddim steady roots will grow. Forward still to Zion go. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Rise like the sun, you were Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed.
Roots grow deep through everything. The earth is calling, hear the drum. Jah lives on, we overcome. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah not dead, no Jah not dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed. High like a holy prayer. Winded whispers, Jah is there. Echoes bounce in the valley low. Life keeps flowing, rivers know. Jah no dead, no Jah no dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah no dead, no Jah no dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed. Every leaf, every stone, every heartbeat, you're not alone. Rhythm steady, roots will grow. Forward still to Zion go. Jah no dead, no Jah no dead. Feel the rhythm in your head. Jah no dead, no Jah no dead. Rise like the sun, you were fed. The sun is high, it burns the day. Shadows stretch but cannot stay. The drum it speaks, the earth it sways. Roots run deep where the rhythm lays. Echoes of Zion roll and hum.
can't hold. The lion roars, the night unfolds, truth and rhythm worth more than gold. Feel it rise and feel it glow. Roots vibration, steady flow. Echoes of Zion roll and hum, dubwise calling, here it come. Through the valleys, through the seas, one love rising on the breeze. Baseline thunders like a storm. Skank guitar keeps the fire warm. Kingdoms crumble, kingdoms rise, but rhythm never tells no lies. Silver threads in the ebony sky, whisper winds as the palm trees sigh. Rhythm rolls where the cool waves lie. Dreadlocks in moonlight swaying slow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, let it flow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, roots will grow. Shadows dance on the sandy shore. Footsteps fade, but the soul wants more. Ocean speaks, it's an open door. Feel the earth hum, feel it breathe. Every heart's got roots beneath. Dreadlocks in moonlight swaying slow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, let it flow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, roots will grow. Stars above like riddim sparks, guiding us through the mystic dark. Every twist of the locks tells a tale of love and freedom, can't derail.
Silver threads in the ebony sky, whisper winds as a palm tree sigh. Rhythm rolls where the cool waves lie. Dreadlocks in moonlight swaying slow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, let it flow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, roots will grow. Shadows dance on the sandy shore. Footsteps fade, but the soul wants more. Ocean speaks, it's an open door. Feel the earth hum, feel it breathe. Every heart's got roots beneath. Dreadlocks in moonlight swaying slow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, let it flow. Dreadlocks in moonlight, roots will grow. Stars above like riddims spark, guiding us through the mystic dark. Every twist of the locks tells a tale of love and freedom, can't derail.
sun is shining. Another brother fades away. His future is declining. Babylon, get them down. With no love around. Dread in a Babylon. Dread in a Babylon. So much dread in Babylon. Chalk screams loud on the blackboard wall. A dusty haze where shadows fall. Echoes dance where the lessons crawl. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Teacher's gone, but the rhythm stays. Words erased, but the bassline plays. The silence hums in a smoky haze. Can you hear the rhythm call through the cracks and down the hall? Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. The bassline whispers, the snare replies. A classroom sky where the rhythm flies. Turn the dials, let the echo slide. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Chalk screams loud on the blackboard wall. A dusty haze where shadows fall. Echoes dance where the lessons crawl. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots, set your mind at ease. Teacher's gone, but the rhythm stays. Words erased, but the bassline plays. The silence hums in a smoky haze. Can you hear the rhythm call through the cracks and down the hall? Can you hear the rhythm call through the cracks and down the hall? Blackboard jungle, dub, dub, dub. Feel the rhythm, rub, rub, rub. Heavy like the earth, light like the breeze. Dubbing through the roots. room sky where the rhythm flies. Turn the dials, let the echo slide.
Lost
whispers ancient praise. Feet on earth, but my mind strays. Beyond the realms of dub we go, where the bass line's deep and the echo flows. Beyond the realms of dub we know, let the rhythm take your soul. Clouds drift like dreams above, beats like heartbeats pulse with love. Every sound a push, a shove. The air it bends, the time slows down. In this askeet I can drown. Beyond the realms of dub we go, where the bass line's deep and the echo flows. Beyond the realms of dub we know, let the rhythm take your soul. Lost in the reverb, the shadows sway. Dub's vibrations show the way. No need for words, just let it play. one by one. Melody rising with the drum.